Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set your video clip in your Vimeo account from private to public and vice versa. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Vimeo, navigate to the library from your home section, and here in your video clip library click into these three dots below the given video. I will go with this example video here, and what you want to do next is click into the uppermost option, share. And here you will see the current accessibility or visibility here. So on default, it should be set to private. If you'd like to switch to public, click into that drop-down menu and then select public here so that anyone can view the video under the given video link, for instance, or by looking for it in the Vimeo search bar, for example, on the platform. And that's it. Or you can click also into publish. It's the same as setting the visibility to public. You can also manage your defaults in the top right, and set one of these statuses as default. And here below you will see the video link, for instance, so you may copy it to your clipboard and, for example, invite your team members to watch it, or also with externals if you set the visibility to public. And that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.